You will answer for whatever you have done. Nobody can do it for you, so you have to do it with all your might. 9:10 of the book of Ecclesiastes says,
Soever thy hand findeth to do, do it with thy might. For there is no work, nor device, nor knowledge, nor wisdom in the grave whither thou goest.
see, do it with thy might. There is no work, nor device, nor knowledge, nor wisdom in the grave whither thou goest. So, we have to do it, and we will be answerable, and we will be paid according to what we have done. 62:12 of the book of Psalms says,
Also unto thee, O Lord, belongeth mercy, for thou renderest to every man according to his works.
Not the works of my father, not the works of my mother, not the works of my brothers and sisters, not the works of my most beloved of men, but my work. I will answer for everything that I have done. Would you believe? Even the things that you have said, you will be answerable for it. In the book of Matthew chapter 12, verse 36 says,
But I say unto you, that every idle word that men shall speak, they shall give account thereof in the day of judgment.
See, every idle word that men shall speak, they shall give account thereof in the day of judgment. So you will not be answerable for anybody's deeds or works. You will be answerable for every work that you have done and every word that you have spoken. That is God's judgment. So, baptizing an infant because of thinking that this son or this child has a original sin, it's not true. It's not biblical. It's not biblical.
Also, they were saying that when you baptize a child, he or she would be the children of God. Like if they did not have a chance to baptize a child and he died or she died, they says it's not gonna be the son of God.
I know. Every child is bound to heaven. As long as he is a child, he is bound to heaven. Let us read that.
And said, Verily I say unto you, except ye be converted and become as little children, ye shall not enter into the kingdom of heaven.
You see, one of the prerequisites of entering heaven is to be like little children. Why? Where are these little children bound to? Let us read. 19:14.
But Jesus said, Suffer little children, and forbid them not to come unto me, for of such is the kingdom of heaven.
See, for little children is the kingdom of heaven. They are ready to go to heaven. If they die in their young age, if they are a child, they are not answerable. You will not in any manner make a little child answerable for anything. You see, even the laws of men are promulgated. What? If any child murder anybody, he will not be imprisoned or given the punishment as an adult have to be punished. She will be, or she or he will be put in a correctional institution, in the welfare bill, in some youth institution, for him to be corrected. The law of man does not make any youth answerable for any crime. Understand the intents of the heart. Maybe a child can sin, can have committed lies, but he's not answerable for it because he is a child, and the childs are bound to heaven. And baptism, in the first place, must not be officiated to a child. Why?
Is there any maturity? I'm sorry. Is there any maturity age for a person to be baptized?
So long as you can understand the word.
Oh.
Let us read first. Hebrews chapter 5 verse 13 says,
For everyone that useth milk is unskillful in the word of righteousness, for he is a babe.
He is ignorant of the word, for he is a babe. Anyone that useth milk is unskillful in the word of righteousness, for he is a babe. If you are a babe, a little baby or a little child, is not obliged by God to understand the word of righteousness. He is ignorant of it. And you must not be baptized because baptism is officiated to someone who have the capacity to believe. Let us read. In the book of Acts, it says in verse 36,
And as they went on their way, they came unto a certain water, And the eunuch said, See, here is water. What doth hinder me to be baptized?
See, the eunuch is speaking to Philip the evangelist. Here is water. What hinders you for me to be baptized? I want to be baptized. Here's the water. What is the answer of the baptizer? Let us read that.
And Philip said, If thou believest with all thine heart, thou mayest.
What is the requirement for you to be baptized? If thou believest with all thine heart. You see, there is a need of faith and belief for a person to be baptized. But can a child believe? Is he skillful already? Is he knowledgeable of the words of righteousness? So, he need not be baptized. Don't worry, he's going to be saved. Come judgment day.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sir.